Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. How is everyone doing? Today is Sunday, May 22nd, 2022, and for today's video, we are working on a hit called Search Satisfaction Fresh MG5P 1DCG English version. I found this one in CLICKWORKER UHRS, and I believe it is available to other vendors as well. So let's jump into this one. This one is an easy hit app. We need to judge the query and the results page right here. So let's jump into this. It is going to be a really quick video. Before we start, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. You can also find us in Facebook. Our group name is ClickWorker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. You have to subscribe to our tutorial channel first and then answer the membership questions before we can approve your request to join in. So let's jump into the quality. This one is Amelia Fox. I do definitely. It does not meet. Moving on, how to install Windows 7 Service Pack 1. The page does not load here, but if you look at the URL, it says something like how to install Windows 7 Service Pack 1 manually. My answer to this one is meets the qualification, or number 1. You can also open it in a new tab for the website to load faster. So meets, submit, enter. It does not show RTA or if you answered right or wrong, but this one again is an easy hit. This is good for those new joiners or new starters to UHRS. Plus privacy, Cloudflare, security does not meet for me. WT1DH2 Y5Y, I believe this is a zip code. Map of W21DH postcode. I am going to go with does not meet here. Shane Warren hotel room does not meet. Palestine or hometown pharmacy. Palestine family pharmacy. I'm gonna go with does not meet here. Well, we passed the quality. Again, it's an easy hit. I found it in ClickWorker. You guys can jump into this really quickly. How much does it pay? I don't remember. I can go back to UHRS to check it out. It pays 0.273 cents. Not that bad. It's an easy hit. Again, my name is Ghost. Thank you for watching and have a good day. See you on the next video. Bye for now.